Hi, we just thought we'd shoot a quick video just to our fans about the differences between the Walk This Way cam and the new electric funeral. Now, we've had a massive success for the Walk This Way, so I do not want to disregard it or say it's not as good as the electric funeral. They all catch up at the end of the dyno graph with the old ls1 sitting around 280 on a manual, maybe about 300 kilowatts of the wheels, give or take. Dynos that people have used, give or take hours, conditions on the day. But there's like a 10% factor there that we're seeing that they're almost identical at the end of the dyno graph. This is with stock heads, stock 241s, cathedral port heads, stock compression, cam only, and the results are around about the same, which we knew that was going to happen. The factor is how they perform on the street and the racetrack, whereas the Walk This Way cam makes power from down low, 1800 RPM all the way to 6.5, and it's smooth. It's easy to tune. Your tuner will love you. There's no repercussions on valve train. The thing is such a good cam, and the chop is old school. So if you were putting it into a conversion car, it's actually really a great choice. But the gains diminish at the end of the RPM range. So if you are chasing big power, if you're circuit racing, if you're drifting, the electric funeral 100% is the better choice. But you have to rob Peter to pay Paul. With the electric funeral, you're going to have to ride the clutch in a manual to get the RPM up. But once it gets the $3,000 mark, hold on. Same as the automatics. You have to have a 3,000 stall minimum for this cam to be efficient. But it will rev past 7,000 RPM if you want it to. It will be more efficient with bigger ported heads. More compression will give you more gains with the electric funeral. Yes, more compression will be beneficial for the Walk This Way cam. I'm not disregarding that. But you'll gain more power with the bigger cam. So that's just the way it works. Saying that, our new shop view is going to be having the electric funeral cam, so you'll see some testing videos coming up. We're going with about 11 comp, and we want to see what peak power we can push out of it, so stay tuned.